Hello, welcome you back to Crypto Hub. Thank you for being here, and thank you for everyone that enjoyed this channel lately. And we are growing. Thank you for you, and you are the reason for us growing in this channel. And I will thank everyone that is subscribed to this channel. If you are already subscribed, welcome you back to a new tutorial of Bomber Crypto. If you are not, please consider subscribing to this channel as we update videos about solid project that worth to invest at on this channel. So the channel has a name of Crypto Hype, but this is not a kind of a hype project that we are considering here to study, but it's the opposite. We study here projects that are really solid and projects that worth to invest at. Whatever you see here is not financial advice by any means. So here we have Bomber Crypto. As you also saw from the title, we're gonna consider the update of Bomber Crypto because it reached what we have expected from it to go to, or the prices that you have to go to. So I have a lot of comments in there saying what's next, what we expect from the Bomber Crypto. Is gonna go, still going down. I have answered the most I could, but I'm gonna do also this video as an update for you guys in order for you not to repeat the same question on the comment box in the comment box. So what we have here is a 12 hours chart. We saw that this head and the shoulder has occurred and created a V. The same thing here will occur again. We're gonna have a new V in here. We're gonna have a new V shape on the chart, and it's still continuing to also do the V in the chart, and we will expect it after the reaching the peak of the V to the peak will maybe from on 0.60 the max, and from there starting a new pullback trend. Is not pullback trend at all, but it's just a small correction, the same as we did in this side right here, the same as we did in this side right here, and the same that we did in a lot times where we deep it down. So we're gonna have a small correction in here, maybe to $1.70 max, $1.80 from there, but I will consider selling on 120, 130 if we deep it to 0.60. And then from there we're gonna start entering to both side channel or consolidation channel, and in same time if we enter into a consolidation channel and we have this kind of chart playing out where we doing the consolidation but in the same time in the uptrend way like this, and we have created here the resistance to the downtrend, which will be the support. Each time when we deepen we have to come back. If we had this played out, that's also a new index for a correction coming ahead, but we're still gonna keep trading inside this as I said, this both side channel unless we break it up, and then from there and we correct above it, and from there maybe we will start a new trend like this to the maybe all-time high, maybe to the $4 or the $5 even, with some news and some new events from Bomber Crypto team. What you have here also on the downtrend, which is the real trend index, is the same time telling us you have to or still needed to go to those areas where, let me just correct something here, right? Okay, here we go. So we have to visit this bottom right here that we did before. I think we did it on the 7th February, not on the 7th, I'm sorry, this is what I'm talking about, on the 3rd January. So we have to go to the same place right here, which is 17 on the RSI. If we did that, so we're gonna deep to 0.70, maybe even to 0.60 or 0.65, and from there we maybe start considering a new pullback to the prices above the $1. If we then comes out of the consolidation channel, then we will have something called as a cap and the hand. This is the cap, this is how it will be, the cap and the hand of the cap right here. If that plays out, the hand and cap, so we will need to pull back or resist or support back from 520, and from there go back to to retest the all-time high and try to break the all-time high to a new prices. Maybe maybe $20, maybe $18, maybe $15 between those prices. But as I said, don't consider it as a financial advice by any means. Please do take responsibility for what you're doing and for what you're trading. Cryptocurrency is high volatile. And from there, you have also to consider those selling points, which is the first resistance will be in here into dollars to 80 to 70. Also consider selling on 350 as well. You have to consider selling on 457 as well. You have to consider also selling on 560. Because this is the Fibonacci retracement. This is what he suggests from the last deep to the all-time high. Those are the points that you have also to consider selling and buying again, because most of the traders, this is the same way what they're gonna do. And you have to consider it also if you are like trading on 12 in the 12 hour chart. If you're doing that in the 4-hour chart, do the same right here in the 4-hour chart and see where is the 50, where is the 60, because those are the most one are traded from the traders, me myself. And yeah, be patient, just be patient please, because we have to give time for the chart to tell us to buy. All right, to enter. He have to form us an entry. If that doesn't occur, so why we have to rush just to lose our money? So consider that please. From here, then, if we start in another index for a new correction, which is will be right here, if we had this kind of thing, so it will be also followed by a smoothly surging upper volume that increasing day by day by week, etc., until we starting pulling really back. And from there, we're gonna have a lot of volume and a lot of people also entering the market in the same time. But use this time, use these prices to buy your heroes, use these prices to buy houses for your heroes, use these prices to get more bcoin than you could, use these prices to farm more as you could and play more as you could. And with that, you will get more bcoins actually if you farm in those days when the price is down. So there is, and the same thing happens on the, I think on mix.com is the same prices. So mix.com, it dipped also to 0.80, 0.82. So that's the update that I just want to share with you guys. Please consider this information as non-financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And I will be happy to consider to I will be happy to answer any questions that you put in the comment box below. Please ask your questions down below. I will happy to answer it. And I have added also a buy me a coffee link. If you see the value out of this video and you find it helpful, please consider buy me a coffee. I will enjoy your coffee for sure. Thank you so much, and have a good day, and to the next one. Bye bye.